Hi, welcome to the Real Education. In this video, I will talk to you about how to use HBO Max on your LG TV. So without wasting your most precious time, let's jump to the video. Thanks for stay tuned. I have an announcement for you. Our channel is doing a giveaway of Amazon Fire Stick. You can also participate in this giveaway by following 3 steps. Step number 1, you have to like this video. Step number 2, give your feedback in the comment section. Step number 3, watch this video till end without skip. After following these 3 steps, you can participate in this giveaway. So main point is that how we can watch HBO Max on our LG TV. Friends, I researched main things on this topic. First of all, I tried to sideload application, but sideload application does not work because of the Linux OS on the LG TV. Then I tried to mirror applications. I mirrored my mobile screen to directly TV, but this is completely working. But when we go with the HBO Max, we can only see a black screen, nothing else. Just like your mobile screen, connect to the TV with HDMI port. But they are working, but they are not working with the HBO Max. So what is the solution of it? I tried main things and also all things to do it, but all things does not work, and only solution is 2 options. As you know, all people saying that only one thing, buy a streaming device just like Amazon Fire, and many types of people saying that buy a Roku device, but they are expensive. But I have a cheapest solution for you. The cheapest solution is that you have to buy a Chromacast. Chromacast available in under $10. On many websites are Chromacast available in $5, $10. They are really very cheap in their price. Buy a official Google Chromacast and you can buy any other brand Chromacast. Chromacast really working with the HBO Max. So after buying your Chromacast, you have to plug in your TV, then you have to connect your mobile to directly your Chromacast. Then you can use your HBO Max to cast your screen to directly TV. They are working with finally. They are working fine. And don't forget to participate in this giveaway to win a Amazon Fire Stick. I hope that this video is really helpful for you. If this video is really helpful for you, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching this video. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Vande Mataram.